Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, I will show you on how you can buy crypto with PayPal. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now first things first, you want to head over to the official website of PayPal, and inside you will be able to see a crypto option. But unfortunately, I don't have that feature as of the moment. The crypto feature only is selected for a few countries, and the button will go ahead and look like this. Now you want to click on crypto, and then you will be able to see a lot of assets. For example, they have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and more. But if you're one of the countries that doesn't have the crypto option yet, we can then head over to coinbase.com. Now it's easy to create an account in Coinbase. Now you just have to basically complete every verification that they have, and you will be able to unlock the PayPal payment method inside the buy section. You have to click on buy and sell, click on the pay with method, and inside you will be able to see PayPal. So guys, in that way, you will be able to buy crypto with PayPal. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. And as always, thank you.